how to create Google account. And on this video we will learn how we can create Google account. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the Google application in your mobile device. Once you're here, if you're already logged in with your old existing account, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on the drop down next to your profile name. Here, tap on Add Another Account. Enter your device PIN or your biometrics. Then you will be taken into sign in page. Here you will find an option as Create Account. Tap on it from the interface. Then tap on For My Personal Use. Then you have to enter your first name and your last name, where your last name is optional. Tap on Next. Now you have to enter your birthday and your gender. Once done, tap on Next. Now you have to create a Gmail address for signing in to your Google account. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. Once you're done, tap on Next. And make sure the username is not taken. After that, create a password. Make sure you have to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, tap on Next. Now you have to review your account info. You will use this email address to sign in later. Tap on Next. Scroll all the way down. Tap on I agree. And with that, you have created a new Google account and you're logged in with your account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.